You can't afford to ignore the Affordable Care Act any longer. Failing to act could lead to a penalty fee in a few months.
Joining us now, Jason Ormond with Pocatello Women's Health Clinic. Thank you so much for coming in.
You bet.
Let's talk a little bit about what you're going to need and how much it's going to cost you.
Well, and that's really the good question right now. The Affordable Care Act, you know, many people are calling it Obamacare, but it really is the Affordable Care Act. It is live and ready to go 2014. And how much is it going to actually cost me or you?
Yeah.
2010 for the city of Pocatello, a family of four made about $41,000. So there's a couple sites that you can go to. On our website, we've got some hyperlinks to that. That's www.pwhc.net.
Okay.
And there's two of them. A new one just came up. It's called getcoveridaho.com. Fantastic. So family of four. You are actually going to be able to choose from a bronze, silver, or gold plan. Many of us are looking between the bronze and the silver.
Okay.
Your actual cost for a silver plan is going to be about $2,000. Then the question comes, well, who's going to cover the rest of it? Really, the plan will cost close to $10,000, about $9,500 to $9,800, depending on who's providing that plan. Where there's actually called an advanced premium tax credit, and that's actually being provided through government programs. They'll actually cover the difference.
Huh.
But when you're actually doing your 2013 taxes in 2014, you're going to be registering saying this is the plan, be it Blue Cross or Pacific Source, wherever it may come from. Here's the proof that I have the plan. It will calculate based on your income, how many people are in your household, how much, if at all, how much they'll actually pay for that.
Huh.
That's so interesting. I think one thing people are wondering is, who needs to do this? Like, who needs to worry about that? It's everyone, right? All of us need to at least take a look at what our situation is, because everyone has to have insurance.
Yes, so absolutely everyone will have to have proof one way or another. You can choose not to actually have insurance, but you'll actually be fined for that. And it'll actually be in 2014. They're kind of starting with baby slaps, and they'll increase it each year. 1% of your reported income, or I believe it's $96 per adult, $47.50 per child in a household, whichever is greater. 2016, that goes up to 2.5% of your income, and for an adult, it's over $600. I think it's $695 per adult. So
not something you can ignore. Then.
No, you don't want to ignore it. And I think they gave us the easy out the first year to get us up to speed, and really no one should have to do that. And bear in mind, you will pay 100% of any visit if you go to the ER or your doctor if you don't have any type of coverage.
Where's a good place for people to start? You mentioned your website and you mentioned this other website. Are those good places to start looking for insurance? Is Idaho going to come online with theirs pretty soon?
October 1st, the state of Idaho will go live, as every state will go live with their exchange. Don't rush right there. We're afraid.
Maybe wait a couple days on
that. We're afraid that the website might crash. I know they're working incredibly hard to make sure that it doesn't. But we do have from October 1st clear until March 31st of 2014 before you have to have that in place. But please do not file your taxes prior to proof of insurance, or you'll be hit.
Oh, wow.
Okay,
interesting.
So something to think about when you're filing those 2013 taxes. Okay, Jason Ormond, thank you so much for coming in today. And coming up next, how to find the hot summer deals for your next getaway.